Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and I am out in the shovelhead shed. Today is Tuesday, and I just finished a video that I'm going to upload tonight. In fact, it was done. It was already in the process of being uploaded, and one of the guys from my channel, Johnny Iron 883. A lot of you guys know him, especially if you've been to like the Forgotten Angels. He was the guy that always brought the Iron Maiden beer, and he always was cool, man, and he always brought the good stuff, man. And I met him and I knew him at the from the Forgotten Angels, and I've got to know him over the last year and stuff like that. He was a great supporter of my channel, always on my Instagram and always on my channel and stuff like that. Well, I got contacted today that he passed away on Saturday, man. And you know, he wasn't that old, man. And I don't know what happened. It just, you know somebody, you meet somebody, and, you know, life is short, and I always say that, man. I just want to dedicate this video to him. Johnny, man, just rest in peace, ride in peace. And this video is just for him, man. And it's for you guys too. Just get out and ride. Enjoy life responsibly. And yeah, man, that's it. This was the last of the bottle that he got for me. And Johnny, it's yours, bro. I wanted to get a video of the master at work.
Master.
Can we hold that?
Right there, maybe.
I can hold and film. Oh, okay, there you go.
See, this is why you use rope, because this friction is working against me on the. which is, anyways, it's not that difficult to do. I rebuilt the 5-speed. I took it all apart, put all new bearings and shit in it, and I just didn't like it. It still wasn't right. So there, 6-speed tranny. Ultima, very cheap. Inexpensive running.
You got that front fender, that's aftermarket.
Yeah. Back here you can see the paint bubbling.